Hi, this is Leah Carey for the Unit 5 HTML assignment. I'm just going to quickly go through the different components of the code that I've created and how it connects to the website before doing a demonstration of opening the HTML file, see how it renders in Chrome. So I start with the opening the HTML or starting the HTML code with the HTML tag, as well as the header and the head and the title tag, which is my name per the instructions, which shows up here on the website as the Chrome tab name. And then I get into the body. My main header is this heading 1 Unit 5 HTML assignment, which shows up here. And then I get into a couple paragraphs. That first paragraph with the header 2 talks about my coding background, and then I detail some of that info in the paragraph. The next header 2 talks about this assignment a little bit and my experience with it. The third header and paragraph gets into what to expect from my website. And then the next one dives into a couple of the elements specifically related to the Chicago school. So I have included here the Chicago school website and included it as a link. You can see the link here. I've embedded it into the paragraph, and you can click on that here and it'll take you to the website. Also, per the instructions, I've included a couple images from our school website, and I've kind of introduced those with some bold and italicized font. So there's 2 there. Why the Chicago school? I get into, I use some of the line break element, as well as the ordered list to kind of, as an example, describe why I like the Chicago school. And then I wanted to show a Chicago school video, YouTube video, embed it using the iframe tag. However, it doesn't seem to work. This was the intended video. Seems like the YouTube video works. It also seems like, per the instructions, the code I think is correct. So maybe you could tell me what I did wrong there. And then I end with additional HTML elements, the 3 additional ones, including the table, which is here, just listing some of my first courses with the Chicago school, the block, which can bring some pizzazz to a website, capture the user's eye there, and then a form as well. And then, of course, ended the body officially, and then ended the HTML document. So that's my code. Like I said, it was, or like you'll read if you read the website, it was a really enjoyable experience for me. I've never coded, and I think I could get lost in this stuff in a good way. And let me quickly demonstrate how this opens. Throw it in, and voila, there's my website. So yeah, if you could just let me know what might have gone wrong with the YouTube, that would be great. Thanks so much.